Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis Escott with What's Happening in Birmingham. Today I have the honor and pleasure of being with Judge Kechia Davis. She is a candidate for Jefferson County Circuit Court, Place 3 on the March 3rd, 2020 Democratic primary ballot. Judge, thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Great to be back in a courtroom again, and I don't have my legal livelihood like I keep telling you all with all these interviews. So I want to start off by saying that. Want to bring the judge on to kind of tell you why she's running for this position and also talk about her campaign platform. So Judge, let's first kick off the question with just tell us a little bit about yourself. Why did you choose a career in law and why you running for judge?
Well, I am a wife. I'm married to Maurice Davis, and together we have 3 children, Courtney, Tristan, and Trey. I have always really liked law, and I wanted to be in a position to help people. And I think being a judge, especially on this local level, it puts me in the best position I can to help people, to save lives. You know, people are dealing with so many different issues, you know, not having a driver's license, an ID, mental health issues, drug issues. Being a judge puts you in the best position to hook them up with services so that they can be better when they leave your courtroom than they were when they came.
All right, so how has your career and experience prepared you for being a judge?
I think that everything that I've done up until this point in my life has prepared me. You know, even starting from a young age, my mom was active in the community. She had us serving, you know, homeless people, working in the community on up to school. I went to the University of Alabama. I majored in criminal justice with a minor in psychology because I wanted to be able to tap into the minds of people, what they're thinking, why they do what they do. From there, I went to Legal Service of Alabama, and I was a domestic violence attorney there. And I wanted to take things further than just dealing with the domestic side of it, the divorces, the PFAs. I wanted to be on the punishment side of it, the criminal side of it. So I left there and went to the district attorney's office here in Jefferson County. I worked as a trial attorney in the district attorney's office for 13 years before taking the bench at Birmingham Municipal Court, where I've been, and it'll be 3 years in March.
All right, so you're in the crowded field.
Yes.
Why should voters choose you?
Because first off, this is a trial court. Jury trials are heard in this court. For 13 years, I was a trial attorney, you know, constantly trying cases. I think it's important to come to the bench with experience. I have been a prosecutor. I have sat on the bench and presided over cases in a courtroom. I've also, I'm a defense attorney with Legal Aid of Alabama. So I have seen the courtroom from all sides. I think it's important to be able to come in the courtroom and not have such a high learning curve. I've dealt with cases, high volume cases. I think it's important for people to be able to get through a courtroom docket fast. And that's something that I can do. I have experience doing that. I have experience in this particular courtroom, actually a couple of years experience in this particular courtroom. So I will be going in court ready to get to work.
So tell me about Place 3 in the cases.
Place 3, it is a criminal court. It is a felony court. So it hears a wide variety of felony cases, your murders, your rape, robbery, human trafficking, drug offenses. It hears just an assortment, even down to theft cases, but it hears all of your felony cases. And when I say felonies, these are cases with a year and a day range of punishment on up to life without, even the death penalty in some cases. So this is a very important court.
So what qualities and qualifications people should be looking for in choosing a judge when they go to the polls?
Experience. I think we have gotten to the point where it's about popularity, maybe name recognition. They should be looking for a judge that they can find in the community more so than just in the courtroom. I think that if the judge only has ties to people in the courtroom, they're really out of touch. You need a judge that, number one, has experience, and that's what I have. I have the education. I have experience being in the courtroom. I have experience trying these cases, training others to try cases. And then I've been in the courtroom. I've been out in the community with my church, community cleanups, spending time mentoring children. You need to have a judge that is willing to get out in the community, see what's going on in the community, talk to the children in the community, so that when they're making decisions that's concerning these people's lives, that's concerning the community, they know what's actually going on out there. They're not so far removed. So I think if a person's first time really seeing you is when they come into the courtroom, you're already in a bad position. I think a lot of things are about relationships. So you have to be out in the community forming those relationships before you come to the bench.
All right, and I'll be remiss, we even didn't mention church and some of the community
Yes.
organizations involved.
I attend Livingstone's Temple, where I have a girls ministry that I head up, and I'm also a part of Junior League in Birmingham, and that is, one of the largest volunteer organizations for women. I also have been a part of Leadership Hoover, on the board of the University of Alabama Alumni Committee, and also the Board of Advisors Committee. So I try to, stay out there. I also partner with the Rhinos Mentoring Group, which is a part of the Omegas, and I mentor young boys in the Birmingham City schools.
All right, this is one of my favorite questions I like to ask all the candidates. What should I expect if I come in your courtroom?
You should expect to be treated fairly. You should expect that I have judicial temperament. You can expect that you will not be in court all day. I understand that people are taking a break from their lives to come to court, and it's not the best time when you come to court, especially when you're dealing with the types of cases that are here. So you can expect to have empathy. You can expect to have respect. You can expect to be heard on whatever issues, and you can expect to be helped when you leave there, because at least I want everybody to have the opportunity to have what they need. I want to at least give them the tools to get an education, a driver's license, any type of treatment, a job, whatever they need to make them better. And that's not just for the defendant, that's for the victim as well. You can expect to be heard.
All right, so how can people find out more about your campaign, website?
Yes, you can follow me. I am on Facebook at Elect Davis Circuit Judge. You can email me if you have questions. I'll be happy to answer questions. electdavisforjudge@gmail.com. Send me an email. I'm also on Instagram at Judge Kechia Davis. So you can use any of those mechanisms to get in touch with me, ask me questions, or just follow along with the campaign trail.
All right, well, this is one of my favorite last questions. Make a closing case to the voters why they should vote for you on Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020. So the floor is yours.
Yes, I am asking you to vote for the candidate who has the experience trying cases. Ask you to vote for the candidate who knows the importance of family, who knows the importance of community, who's there to help people. And that's what I am trying to do. I'm trying to help people one case at a time, one defendant at a time, to make them better than they were when they came in. Also, I have a heart for God and a love for people. And every day when I come in the courtroom, I ask for a discerning spirit, because I know I'll be held accountable for my handling of his people. So I try to do everything that I can do to give God the glory in the decisions that I make. And I want that to reflect in the lives of those that are affected that come in my courtroom.
Well, Judge, thank you for coming on today.
Thank you for having me.
Wish you best luck and success on the campaign
Thank
trail.
you.
You gotta have your running shoes on and everything. Thank you all for watching this video today. Please check out what'shappeningBirmingham.com for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all again and have a great day. Bye-bye. And don't forget to vote Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020. Y'all come out and vote now. Bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.